Installing whole house shutoff and leak detection during new construction prevents most water damage before it starts. For new home construction upgrades, place smart leak detectors at every appliance drain, under every sink, near the water heater, and at the lowest point of each finished level. Choose sensors that communicate on a single protocol so they form a reliable mesh and accept local control without mandatory cloud dependency. Add an automatic shutoff valve on the main supply that accepts direct input from the sensor network and can operate on both mains power and battery backup so it closes even during power loss. Configure the system so alerts are sent to multiple contacts and integrate with your home management app using end-to-end encryption keys when available. During installation, route sensor wiring away from heat sources and label each sensor and valve in the building plans so future owners know locations and service intervals. Schedule and perform monthly tests by triggering individual sensors and confirming valve closure and app notification, and document each test in a maintenance log. Common mistakes include placing sensors only near obvious appliances and missing hidden low spots inside walls or behind cabinets, so add thin floor sensors and moisture tapes in cavities when framing is open. Another error is relying solely on vendor cloud services without local manual controls, which can leave the home vulnerable during internet outages, so include a physical shutoff lever and local network fallback. Finally, many installers skip battery backup or fail to test it, so always install a dedicated battery supply size to operate the valve for at least 24 hours and test backup power during monthly checks. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who install and maintain whole house shutoff and leak detection systems, so we make it easier to find skilled help. We also host a community discussion forum where we share installation tips, test procedures, and real-world experiences so our members learn from each other.